Hi guys, it's Paul here at PNUK Training. 6 months ago I did a video saying how to do flags on Google Sheets, dynamic flags based on 2-digit country codes, and it's got a fair few amount of views, but that was the complicated way of doing it. This is the simple way of doing it. So that video said, take this code, convert it into a full-length name, and then convert that into a Wikipedia flag that you can use. We're not going to do that. We're going to use a different website, so all of this can go. We're going to get rid of this formula. All you're going to put in... Oh, let's get rid... I know. Get rid of this. Let's start from scratch. So we want to make that this code pull up a flag. Now, the first thing we need to do is make this lowercase, because the country flag that we're going to use needs to be in lowercase. So if you're already in lowercase, you can skip this part. But all I'm going to do is put in lower and put that in brackets, which will then make my from lower. I'll copy it down. I don't know how many teams I've got here. Will I go all the way to the bottom? Oh, there's only about 350. I'm already there now. If anybody knows how to do that, to get all the way to the bottom without having to drag it down, it would be good to know. So, we've now got lowercase country code 2-digit. So we're going to go here, equal, image, open bracket, speech mark, and we're going to go to this website. Flag, what we need to do is get this code. And sorry, the settings are, if you want a little wavy flag, you can use these sizes. So inside the sizing, you would change it. It will give you the code. If you want a little square flag, maybe this 160, maybe even the 80. I'm going to go with the 160, am I? No, let's go with the 80. I want a square solid flag. So if I copy that. Oh, if I copy this and put in that into a browser, it's going to be a little South African flag. Maybe that is the 80. Let's go with that. It's fine. You can tinker with the sizes. You just need to put in these sizes as you go. But we're going to put in here that we're going to paste that URL, flag CDN, and it's going to give me obviously that South African flag. And whether it's too big or too small, that's up to you. You just have to change the size in here. Now, I want to get rid of the South Africa and put a speech mark in, add and, put another and, speech mark. And in the middle here, we're now going to select this field. So it's I2. So I'm going to put I2, and now when I click off it, it is replacing the South Africa with the country code, and that is going to add that all the way down. If I want to make a little wavy flag, if you want to go wavy, make it the, I don't know what big, 40 by 30. We're just going to put in, instead of here, we're going to put 40 times 30, and that'll give me a little wavy flag. You have to use the set sizes here. You can't just type anything in. But I want it to be, let's try 160 and see what it's going to show. So W160. We'll make it a bigger flag. Yeah, I think it's being filtered down, and it's also the Switzerland flag's a square flag. Anyway, but now you can see, as we drag this down, all the way through, it is going to automatically change it. And we don't need to do what I did before. Even pick the Bermuda one up at the end, look. So that website does have all the flags, 250 odd flags. Can resize that to wherever fits or suits. But that now is definitely 100% easier than the way I did it last time. If I zoom in, here's the code. I will put it probably in the pinned comment. I'll put it in the description. All you've got to do is flag CDM and then pick whichever field. Make sure it is lowercase so that it works, because it doesn't, if you take the flag, what have I got pasted in here? Yeah, if you take the flag and make that, so ZA would be that. If you do make it uppercase, it won't work. ZA. File not found, so it does have to be in lowercase. So that's why we do that setting over there, which is equal lower, to make sure that the country code is in lowercase. Hopefully that helps. You don't have to go to my website and grab the code, and you don't have to, like, this was what we were doing before. Where is it? Yeah, we're here. This is literally the code that I had in before. To change it to a country name. To change it, to pick all the countries up. Thankfully, there's always somebody smarter out there that can make it simple. It actually came from ChatGPT giving me it. This is the country flag place to get the info from. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully that was easier. We're going to be doing more training on PN UK on Google Sheets, and there'll be some free training on my website coming soon. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped. See you soon. Paul, PN UK, Punk out.